Looking for the perfect compact mirrorless camera for 2025? Whether you're a content creator, travel vlogger, or just love capturing stunning shots, we've got you covered. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best compact mirrorless cameras that deliver incredible performance in a portable size. Let's dive in. Number 5. OM System. OM3. A micro four thirds mirrorless camera that seamlessly blends vintage aesthetics with modern technology. Drawing inspiration from the classic Olympus OM1 film camera of 1972, the OM3 features a retro design complemented by a leatherette grip. Despite its nostalgic appearance, it houses a 20.37-megapixel stacked back-illuminated live MOS sensor and a TruePic X dual-core processor, delivering high-quality images and performance. The camera is equipped with a 3-inch, 1.62 million dot vari-angle touchscreen and a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, providing clear and flexible composition options. Its compact dimensions of 3.5 by 5.5 by 1.8 inches and a weight of 14.6 ounces make it a portable choice for photographers on the go. In terms of performance, the OM3 offers 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing up to 7.5 stops of compensation, ensuring sharp images even in challenging shooting conditions. It supports 10-bit 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second and includes a 240 FPS slow-motion mode at 1080p resolution. The camera features a customizable creative dial for quick access to various color profiles and filters, enhancing creative flexibility. With an IP53 rating, the OM3 is weather-sealed, offering dust and splash resistance, and can operate in temperatures as low as 10 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for diverse environments. The rechargeable battery provides approximately 590 shots per charge, supporting extended shooting sessions. The OM System. OM3 is available for purchase at 1,999 or 999 for the body alone, with kit options that include lenses for an additional cost. Number 4. Nikon Z30. A compact and lightweight mirrorless camera designed specifically for content creators, vloggers, and streamers. Featuring a 20.9-megapixel APS-C DX format, CMOS sensor, and an X-Speed 6 image processor, it delivers high-quality stills and video with impressive detail and color accuracy. The camera supports UHD 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second and Full HD at 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion playback. With an ISO range of 151-200, expandable to 24800, it performs well in various lighting conditions. The Z30's fully articulating 3.0-inch touchscreen LCD makes it easy to frame shots from creative angles, while its compact design measuring 128 x 73.5 x 59.5 mm and weighing just 405 grams, with battery and memory card ensures portability without sacrificing performance. Built with content creation in mind, the Nikon Z30 includes a built-in stereo microphone and an external microphone input for enhanced audio capture. It offers continuous shooting at up to 11 frames per second, making it suitable for action shots and fast-moving subjects. The absence of a mechanical shutter helps reduce shutter shock and noise, making it ideal for discrete shooting. The camera is compatible with a wide range of Nikkor Z lenses, providing flexibility for different shooting styles. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfers and remote control via the SnapBridge app. Whether for vlogging, photography, or streaming, the Z30 provides a versatile and user-friendly experience in a compact, high-performance package. Number 3. Canon EOS R10. A compact, mid-level mirrorless camera introduced in 2022, featuring a 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and the Digic X image processor. This combination delivers high-resolution images with a maximum resolution of 6,000 x 4,000 pixels. The camera supports continuous shooting speeds of up to 15 frames per second with the mechanical shutter and up to 23 frames per second using the electronic shutter, catering to action photography needs. Its native ISO range of 100 to 32,000, expandable to 51-200, ensures versatility across various lighting conditions. The EOS R10 is equipped with Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system, providing swift and accurate autofocus performance. Physically, it adopts the RF lens mount, accommodating both RF and RFS lenses, and measures approximately 122.5 x 87.8 x 83.4 mm, with a weight of around 429 grams, including battery and memory card. In terms of video capabilities, the EOS R10 offers UHD 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second, utilizing the full sensor width for high-quality footage. It also provides a 4K 60p option with a 1.56x crop, suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects. Full HD recording is available at up to 120 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion playback. The camera features a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3.0-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen with 1.04 million dots, facilitating flexible composition and playback. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfer and remote control. The EOS R10 utilizes the LPE17 battery, offering approximately 350 shots per charge when using the LCD and around 210 shots with the electronic viewfinder. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T30 Mark II, a compact mirrorless camera that combines classic aesthetics with modern imaging technology. It features a 26.1 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and the X-Processor 4 image processor, delivering high-resolution images with rich color reproduction and low noise. The camera supports a wide ISO range from 160 to 12800, expandable to 80/51-200, allowing for versatile performance in various lighting conditions. Its autofocus system is capable of operating in low-light environments down to 7 EV, ensuring accurate focus even in challenging situations. Physically, the X-T30 maintains a sleek and lightweight design, weighing approximately 378 grams with battery and memory card, and measuring 118.4 x 82.8 x 46.8 meters, making it highly portable for everyday use. In terms of video capabilities, the X-T30 offers DCI and UHD 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing high-quality footage suitable for professional use. For slow-motion effects, it supports full HD recording at up to 240 frames per second. The camera is equipped with a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3.0-inch 1.62 million dot tilting touchscreen LCD, facilitating flexible composition and playback. Connectivity options include built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless file transfer and remote control. The X-T30 utilizes the NPW126X battery, offering approximately 380 shots per charge, ensuring ample power for extended shooting sessions. Number 1. Sony Alpha A7C II, a compact full-frame mirrorless camera that combines portability with advanced imaging capabilities. It features a 33.0 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R CMOS sensor paired with the BioOwen's XR processing engine, delivering high-resolution images with excellent color reproduction and low noise. The camera offers a native ISO range of 100 to 51,200, expandable to 50-204,800, ensuring versatility in various lighting conditions. Its autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points, covering approximately 94% of the image area, providing accurate subject tracking and recognition. Despite its robust feature set, the A7C II maintains a lightweight design, weighing approximately 514 grams and measuring 2.8 by 4.9 by 2.5 inches, making it ideal for photographers and videographers seeking a portable solution without compromising performance. In terms of video capabilities, the A7C II supports full-frame oversampled UHD 4K recording at up to 30 frames per second from a 7K capture, ensuring high-quality footage with rich detail. For higher frame rates, it offers 4K 60p recording in Super 35 APS-C mode, derived from 4.6K capture. The camera also provides 10-bit video recording and includes the S-Cinetone color profile, catering to professional videographers seeking cinematic color grading options. Additional features include in-body 5-axis image stabilization rated up to 7 stops, enhancing handheld shooting stability, and a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder with 0.7x magnification for clear and precise composition. The A7C2's compact form factor, combined with its advanced imaging and video capabilities, makes it a versatile tool for content creators on the move.